Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Girl, and today I am here with a very interesting and very useful topic that is about Google Drive. Yes, in this video you will come to know about how to work with Google Drive, how to use it, how to upload files in Google Drive, and also you will come to know how to share that uploaded files with your friends or colleagues. So let's start the video, but before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and yes, if you like the video, just tap on the thumbs up icon. So what we need to do, firstly open the drive in your mobile phone. It will take few seconds to open, and before starting work with your drive, make sure that you have selected your correct account. If you have logged in multiple accounts in your device, so you can switch your account by tapping here. So firstly check before working. Next we need to select the file section. There are different sections, so we need to select this file section, and if you want to create a new folder, just tap on this plus icon. Then you have to select the folder option. Give the name of the folder, like I am giving class 10th A. Then create. Then open this folder, class 10th A, and again you have to create different folders. So just again tap on this plus icon, select the folder, and give the name of the student, like I am giving Abdul Ahad. Create. Then again tap on this plus icon, folder. Next is Abdul Adir. Create. So in this way we can create multiple folders. Firstly we need to create all students folder. Then the next step is how to upload students answer sheet. So we have two different methods. Number one is that open this folder, open the particular students folder, and then tap on the plus, and then you can select this upload option. Your file manager, your recent file will be open, but from here we cannot check student's name, and it is a little bit difficult also. So I'm going to tell you a very easy way to share students answer sheet into this folder. So for that you need to open your WhatsApp account. I'm going to open the WhatsApp application. Then open the chat of the student. Like here is Tehreem's answer sheets are there. I'm going to upload these answer sheets into Drive. One by one you have to select, because if you are selecting multiple sheets, then share option is not visible. Select, tap on this share option, and then from here you need to select save to Drive option. And then you can see, you can give the title, like I'm giving Tehreem Abbasi. I'm giving the student's name here. Then your email account, you can switch, you can change, and then folder name. I am selecting my folder. Just tap on back option, class 10 Tehreem Abbasi. Just select it, and then you can see folder name, and then click on the save option. So for the first time you need to select the folder name and the destination. If you are going to upload next picture, you need not to select, it will be selected. then again save to drive. You can see, you can give the page number here also, like it is page number 2. Then page number 3 I'm sharing. Then page number 4 I'm sharing. Okay, so let me just check ki these are uploading in my drive. Let me open my drive. And I'm going to check the pictures which I have uploaded in class 10th in Tehrim Abbasi's folder, so you can see. So in this way you can upload the pictures. We have one more way to upload our pictures. For that you need to go to the albums or gallery of your phone, then go to the WhatsApp pictures. In my folder it is showing in other albums, and I have opened the WhatsApp images. And after that you need to check students answer sheet. I am going to check these answer sheets. These answer sheets are of Hafsa Fatma and they are in same pattern, so I can recognize that these are of Hafsa. So what I can do, just hold on and then select the multiple pictures. I have selected all the pictures, all the snapshots of Hafsa, and then just tap on the share option, and from here you need to select again save to drive option, and the drive will be open. Now you have to select the folder of Hafsa like we have selected earlier. Select, just open it and then select. You can change the name of the picture also if you want, otherwise no need. Then save. It will take some time and it will indicate you from here, or you can go to your drive and can open this folder and can check it's done. Now the next and the most important thing, the folders or the files which we have stored on our Google Drive, how to share these files with other people. So open the Google Drive, and here is our folder. Just tap on the back. You need to select this main folder of class 10th, not the multiple folders. You need to select the main folder. Tap on this 3 dots. Two ways we have, two methods of sharing I'm going to tell you, any one you can use. So number one is tap on these 3 dots. Here is the option link sharing off. You need to tap on this. As you tap on this, you can notice here the link sharing is on and the link has been copied into your clipboard, and then using the paste option you can share that link with any of the people. Like I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to share this. Just paste and send. The second method which I am going to tell you, that is just open your Google Drive and tap on the share. Via email also you can share your file or folder. Here you need to specify the email address. Like I'm going to send this. I'm just taking a dummy email address, then spacebar. One more thing also here, on this drop down arrow you can see the permission, that the person to whom you are sending it will be a viewer only or it will be an editor. Viewer means that related person can view only, or that person cannot edit, so better to give the editor permission if any changes is required, so he or she can add it. You can add a message here also, like class 10th answer sheets, and then just tap on the send button. An email will be sent to the related person and he or she will come to know.